This video is all about the English Tagalog cooking terms you must learn. The first one is ihurno. Ihurno. When we say ihurno, that means to bake. Ihurno. Batihin. Batihin. When we say batihin, that means to beat. Batihin. Banlian. Banlian. Banlian means to blanch. Banlian. Haluin. Haluin means to blend. Haluin. Pakuluin. Pakuluin means to boil. Pakuluin. Ihawin. Ihawin, that means to broil. Ihawin. Hiwain. Hiwain, that means to cut with a knife. Hiwain. TADTARIN. TADTARIN, that means to chop. TADTARIN. Patuluin. Patuluin, that means to drain. Patuluin. Prituhin. Prituhin, that means to fry. Prituhin. Tunawin. Tunawin, that means to melt. Tunawin. Dikdikin. Dikdikin, that means to mince. Dikdikin. Ibabad. Ibabad, that means to soak. Ibabad. Tustahin. Tustahin, that means to toast. Tustahin. Pasingawan. Pasingawan, that means to steam. Pasingawan. Igisa. Igisa, that means to saute. Igisa. Alisan ng buto. Alisan ng buto, that means to pit or to remove the bone. Alisan ng buto. Pahira ng mantika. Pahira ng mantika, that means to baste. Pahira ng mantika. Ibabad sa suka. Ibabad sa suka, that means to marinate with soy sauce. Ibabad sa suka. Ibabad sa kalamansi. Ibabad sa kalamansi, that means to marinate with native lemon. Ibabad sa kalamansi. And that's all for our English Tagalog cooking terms you must learn. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.